All right, so once you've opened the link that I provided you on Canvas, you should have something that looks like this. And the first thing you need to do is make a copy for yourself. So you're going to go to the ellipse in the top right-hand corner. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and hit copy. You can choose the name for yours, whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to put clamp exercise. I'll just put my last name there. Okay, copy workspace. And now you have your parts. Okay, now you can put several parts in a part studio. That's what they've done here. But this is not an assembly. Nothing's really attached to each other here. Don't know if I can quite get it to all move. Can't. Okay, but it's not actually attached. Okay, we're going to actually build an assembly where it is attached together and it'll function how we want it to. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create an assembly. So we're going to hit that arrow at the bottom, create assembly. And we can call this, should always rename things. Oh, why is that handle parts? Oh, clicked on the wrong one. All right, rename. And we can call this the clamp, get original here, assembly. That's not assembly, that's assemble. All right, and I'm going to hit rename. All right, so before we can actually start assembling though, we need to bring in parts to assemble. So the first set of parts you're going to bring in to assemble, first we're going to hit that insert button in case you didn't see that. It's up here at the top, boom, insert button. Now you can bring in individual parts, so I could hit fixed clamp, rod, sliding clamp, and it'll bring those in separately. Since they're all in the same part studio, I can also just tap on the part studio and it'll bring it in. All right, and that would be step one there is to bring that in. You got to hit the check mark. And now we actually have parts in our part studio. That's great. So next up, we're actually going to start constraining them. I'm going to put that into the next video.